AEROSAPIEN, now entered at precision manufacturing for medical automation. Engineering medical excellence with aerospace precision. At AEROSAPIEN, we manufacture high-precision medical equipment and critical assemblies by applying aerospace manufacturing standards to the healthcare industry. Every component is produced with exceptional accuracy, ensuring reliability, quality, and long-term performance. Our manufacturing excellence. Manufactured using medical-grade certified materials. Utilization of medical-grade coatings for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Precision machining with tolerances maintained up to plus or minus 50 microns, 0.05 millimeters, in all critical assembly areas. Complete adherence to GD&T, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, requirements based on aerospace engineering standards. Manufactured in a clean, hygienic, and controlled production environment. CNC machines operate using medical-grade coolant and lubricating oils to ensure contamination-free production. Every component undergoes strict dimensional and quality inspections before assembly. Capable of manufacturing high-precision structural assemblies for medical, biotechnology, laboratory automation, aerospace, and other critical industries. Our journey with Beluga. Over the past 2 years, the AeroSapien engineering team has worked closely on the development and precision manufacturing of the Beluga platform. Through continuous engineering improvements, rigorous quality control, and close collaboration, the product has successfully transitioned from the development phase into full-scale production. Today, AeroSapien is proud to manufacture and supply precision structural assemblies for Cambrian Bioworks, supporting the production of the Beluga automated genomic sample preparation platform. AeroSapien sincerely thanks the entire team at Cambrian Bioworks Private Limited for placing their trust in our engineering capabilities. Your collaboration, technical guidance, and confidence have enabled us to manufacture world-class medical automation systems with the highest standards of precision and quality. We value this partnership and look forward to continuing our journey together by delivering innovative, reliable, and precision-engineered solutions that contribute to the advancement of healthcare technology. Together, we are transforming engineering excellence into life-changing medical innovation.